This is USD 436. We're a consolidated district here in Caney Valley. We're a small town school that basically prides itself on its values and taking care of things. When I think about Caney, that's what I think of, is making sure that we're always preparing everyone for the modern day.
My name is Vernal Sturgeon. I'm the maintenance director here at Caney Valley. When I first came, the district wanted to take a proactive look at fixing things instead of just always reacting. 5 years ago, we took an overall look at the problems. We had a lot of aging units, so we decided to look into, because we just didn't have the funds to just fix everything at one time because there's just too many things.
And so when I came around, the board had basically polled and talked with the community, and they knew that this was a concern, was some of our deteriorating infrastructure, HVAC units in particular, and not having a lot of capital and money to be able to complete that. We knew very early on that we wouldn't be able to accomplish it on our own, and so we made the decision very early to look at a partner with that, and we were lucky to be able to reach out and to identify Trane.
Trane was able to take a even bigger picture of and help us develop a plan to not only resolve some of those issues, the heating and the lighting issues, but look at ways that we can save energy.
Without Trane, it wouldn't have been near as successful. And so they were able to come in and really give us a bird's eye view, and they were able to look at age of our units and look at predictability with how often or when they were going to need to be replaced. Then the cherry on top is the savings, right? You know you're going to have some savings, you hope, but for it to come above and then to consistently be there, that's where you see the projects that we've been able to complete long term. We were looking around that $15,000 range is what we had hoped to gain with energy improvements, and annually we've come in over $20,000 every year. So when you look at that over that 5-year period, that's around $100,000. There's our basketball court.
Probably my favorite part is the Trane controls is all online. I can turn units on and off. I can trouble and diagnose things from the computer. We can schedule heat and air in the facility, so when the building's empty, units are not running.
Every chance I get, I let people know that they're looking at energy service information, they're looking at opportunities that Trane's the company to go with.